Most travelers come to Kochi for a few hours to see the tunnels and then leave. But I decided to do something different. So today we are going to spend 48 hours living remotely in the middle of the Kochi jungle completely alone, just me. So they told me it is too quiet, too isolated, and maybe even a little dangerous for a woman alone, especially I'm a tourist. But as a Filipina, I wanted to see if I could find peace and, of course, a reliable Wi Fi in the middle of nowhere. So today, I'm taking you inside my 48 hours solo retreat. This is the raw truth about the other side of Vietnam. Hi guys, I am going to the Kochi tunnels and 10:50 in the morning. I haven't yet done eating and it's going to be 2 hours travel. My goodness. Yeah, we didn't lift anything in the room, so we are going to bring this bag with us because I think I'm going to stay there for a while also, guys, because we are going to fly back to Cebu by Thursday, and then I decided like I was just going to stay there for a while, like because we've been staying for much time in the city, so to I still have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 nights left in here, so we got a lot of things we able to do. Oh my goodness, guys, I'm just so excited. This is your Nomadic Filipina again, and for today's another day, another adventure. Mm, So, no. Oh, Leaveview Hotel. My goodness. Mm, Wait, I forgot. I need to leave the key and outside. Hello. I need to check out. Sorry. I need to check out, guys. No one's in here. But in 2 hours, we are going to carry this bag. I am crazy. It's better like this, guys, because if we are going to get a taxi, it's gonna be a very long ride. So that's it. But our Grab, supposedly, I already fly going to Cambodia. I'm gonna get a sleeper pass, but this station changed. Hello. I need to put my bag. It's heavy. Guys, it feels like I'm lost right now. I didn't book actually my place, so I am thinking I'm going to find a place which is I already booked. Yeah, I'm going to stay La Farm. Stay like that. It's 16 minutes away from here. So before I'm going to explore this place, I think I need to go get a place first before I'm going to explore in this area. But it feels like, here it takes a lot of time to accept, and I actually still the driver is still with me, but he couldn't understand. I'm trying to ride it. I told him like I was just gonna pay him through cash, and then he needs to take me just in the place that I'm trying to stay tonight. But it's part of the travel. I just I don't know. I'm trying. Yeah, see, it's still here. Finally, guys, the grab is working. Yeah, so we're gonna go there. So this is me. Whenever I usually go, I don't like to book a place, like especially at the night, or not. It depends, but right now I see
Giờ
in
cái trang trại gì đó, trang trại
area that
mát
I
luôn.
will going to stay. So yeah, I think this one is quiet, very nice. But it's 16 minutes away from me, so another 16 minutes right. Oh my goodness. I didn't expect that I'm going to stay. I know, my goodness. 16 minutes away from Wichita Falls. I'm crazy. My goodness, I supposed to ask maybe if you're nearby there, but I couldn't find anything online on this area. So, but no problem there. It seems like Philippines. Oh my goodness. And I think there are a lot of activities I can do there. It's like not the area that I am trying to see. One more minute. I think that area. Bukid, Bukid, it's mountains in the Philippines. Here, La Farm Stay. Oh, this is the area, guys, that I am going to stay, La Farm. Oh, this is not bad. Not bad at all. So it's really nice to get lost. Wow, looks nice. We got some pool as well. Wow, you can play there. I think I'm gonna stay here for 2 nights. So I'm actually trying to see their area, and I'm going to find a place. Actually, I booked different room, but it feels like I wanna upgrade it to something nice. I wanna experience this because it looks nice. It looks peaceful. Just us, just me myself. So it's really good to try to a new place and able to experience it. So he is going to bring me. Yeah, that looks nice actually, guys. It's literally a bungalow. Wow! Are you guys excited for me? Because, oh my god, this is so nice. So guys, this is actually we are staying here in Ho Chi, yeah, Ho Chi area here in Vietnam, and it is actually very beautiful, guys. You cannot believe this area. So we're staying here in Bungalow. So this is for just 1,300 pesos. You can get this place by yourself with this beautiful view over here. Like that, guys. So yeah, this is the front porch area of my place. And let's go inside. This is actually my first time, guys, staying in Bungalows area like this. Beauty. It's super nice. Like, look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. This is just my dream before, guys, know that I able to stay a place like this, like a bungalow, because yeah, when I was a kid, I used to watch some of the movie that people stay in bungalow like that, and it's really nice, especially romantic movies. But yeah, yeah. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty over here. This is the back where is we are going here in my place. Yeah. You can chill also over there. Aircon. Yeah, air conditioning. And right now, life is super unpredictable, guys. Life is super full of surprises. Cause when I was a kid, got those kind of dream, and I really don't know, guys, that I able to experience this kind of area in real life. But here I am. Actually, I wasn't have any. I mean, I doesn't have any plans of going like this, guys. But yeah, it's really super pretty. Supposedly that place, guys, I'm going to stay there, but maybe I could move there tomorrow. But still beautiful, the one that I'm staying. Yeah, super pretty. My God. Actually, they have pools over there as well. And to bring you guys to the pool area. What you can get in Vietnam for 1,300 pesos. Right now, it's quite hot right now, guys. So maybe later I'm going to swim. Yes. Yeah. This one is under construction. Hello. Super amazing. Flowers, if you love flowers, they got some gardens there. Actually, they got some areas too, like near in the gardens, like that. But I choose that area, guys, because I find it very amusing, mesmerizing. So it's really super pretty. And of course, they got some, where you can play over there. I'm not sure what is the name of that, guys. Tell me why ain't nothing but heartache. How I wish I am with someone. But it's really nice to experience like this alone also. You don't need to be with someone else just to enjoy the place, because you can really actually enjoy the place without anybody. It just God does also when you're with someone. But it's nice also when you're not. Oh my God, I forgot to put the guitar in the right place. Oh yeah, yeah, the guitar. I'm sorry. This is the bar area. This is the area, guys. I think they got some band there as well, but I don't know. And you can play billiards. The worker said, like, you can ask if I feel lonely tonight, I can just hang out in here, and then because they're going to have a drink, so I'm gonna join them. Guys, it's actually nighttime here. Time check is almost 1 p.m. And actually, guys, I can hear the sounds over there. I wish, guys, you heard it, but I think there's an animal there. What if there is a snake, guys? I'm scared. Goodness. You can hear it, guys. Oh my goodness. What if? Hi guys, so early morning here. This is what is our outfit today, and we are going to Puchi Tunnels. Right now is I couldn't book any Grab because yeah, it's hard to book a Grab in this area, guys. So what I am doing, I asked the worker here to bring me to Kochi Tunnels. There are these families. They're actually booking a Grab. It took them like 3 hours to get the car back here because it's actually from the Ho Chi Minh. That's for sure. I like in the city. So yes, we are currently over here, and I'm gonna move there later. New view for us. So I'm not sure if they are still here. It looks like they are. I'm going to go. Bye-bye. We're gonna go, guys. So we came back, guys, because this room is. I'm gonna leave this book. We need to leave na lang instead. Ew. Wow. I didn't saw this. I'm not sure if I can eat this. Oh my goodness, guys. Excuse me. Can I eat this? No? Oh. Maybe it's because I say that because I'm super hungry. So now we are going to our new place because we need to check in early. So it helps me to carry it. This is going to be my view going to my place. So this is my house, guys, for today. Yeah, oh my god, this is way more better also. But this is way more expensive. I paid like almost 2,000 pieces for this for a night. My last night, full night here, so no complaining at all. This is going to be my front porch. Wow, front porch, guys, look at that. Literally, I'm lost. It is very, very nice. Super, super nice. Gonna go inside. Can I go inside? Ah, there. Let's do. I think this time we are literally gonna go now. So yeah, this is our view. Super nice. Very, very nice. I wanna move here someday, guys. I know. It's absolutely nice. It feels like my face, yes. Yeah. I'm not sure if I have seen this in the city of Richmond. I think I see it over here. Like this kind of trap. I'm not sure if I'm seeing or like other sidewalk. I think they're not out. We're here. This is quite different from what I've been to yesterday. I want to find somewhere that I can eat. Oh, oh, oh. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Is there any restaurant here? Restaurant? Like, eat?
Restaurant.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is one.
There?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
When you're visiting Sinan, so much English country, you need to learn how to Though a sign language. There's a lot over here, I think, because yeah, they're very famous with tourists. It's like a lot of people over there. People like this, like, it's a thing to eat. I wonder if I needed to eat. Not sure how much it will cost me for this. Let's see over there. So I'm actually waiting for my food right now. I already finished this drink and I got some coffee as well for us to be awake for the entire day. Hopefully it's not gonna making me feel um sleepy. Hi 20 people. Hi guys. It's really gonna take home, guys. Gonna take this one because we are super full. Yep. We got this. Our total bill is this. I bought this one with me, so yeah, I'm going to go. I'm not sure where I'm going, guys, to get a ticket. Yeah. Let's. So I got this. Already. Oh, I got some water. But I don't know, guys. This is it. Hello. This is the gallery. They got some real physical cheap channel with a view, ensuring the safety for visiting Kuchitan. I'm so a little bit scared. I'm a bit scared actually of tunnel, but let's try to go this way. Yeah, I already thought that we are gonna do something. Ah, this is pretty. This is good. Oh, here already. Hi. What?
You go along.
Ah, yeah. I'm saying that I am alone, guys. Yeah, because of course I'm not with anyone.
The first you watch film about 15 minutes. After the local guy come here, you visit the Kochi Tunnel.
Ah, really?
You visit the Kochi Tunnel 1 hour and a half.
Uh-huh.
Yes. The guy include the ticket. The guy. Yes. You watch film about 15 minutes. After the local guy come here, you visit the Kochi.
Okay, thank you.
The first one on the film, the bamboo track, review for fighting. Because the U.S. Army from Vietnam too long, we don't have enough the equipment. The outside have to cover very well, they didn't know, have to clear the land. Bamboo strike inside very sharp, welcome to teach the body, that in the hole very easy. You know Vietnamese have to remember exactly where the bamboo track, not the Google map before. You can take the photo. You know, you walk around here too long, many things on the way. Yeah. You take the photo bamboo trap and then keep going to the next one. Thank you.
Hi.
To cover very well by the wood furniture. Raining season is okay. Nobody knows from outside. You know, underground there, 250 kilometers connected. 3 level, 3 meter, 6 meter, 10 meter. Meeting bunker, dining bunker, kitchen bunker, hospital. We living in there. Down up for fighting. They didn't know from outside. But this one, Video for the photo only. Yeah. All of you go down the tunnel later. You wait the route here first and then your turn. Okay, well done. Come up, up. Hold neck. Hold neck. Deep up. Yeah. No need out. Hold neck. Yeah, good
Yeah.
job.
No, I don't dance.
Go down there, come up here, it's connected. Video this one.
Magtuon ko. Magtuon ko ma.
Because sometimes bunker hit the bomb corner, we have to we call this one the Laimai recycle for medical bomb. The outside we have were very well not the only free on the survey.
So I am actually here in the shooting range area. Yes, I don't know if I'm going to try, but I don't know. I'm super undecided because I haven't yet hold a gun before. I'm not sure, but the shot is sounding so exciting. Yeah. Oh, sure. Wow.
You want the gun? Bang, bang, bang.
How much for the gun?
Come there, look. You look first. You want first? To the middle. Come
But
inside.
this is exciting. Okay, guys. Yeah. My goodness. Let's go. Hello. I got the certificate this time. Hello. I gotta try. Wait. Oh my goodness, guys, my head. The boom shots. Boom ticket. We're gonna go back now. We're done. Yeah, it's a good try. Most hardest part for me, especially I have fear on this one, but I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm gonna try this.
你们也来吧，来吧，来吧，来吧，来都来了，没有很大的，很大
Will
的
be，okay.
很大的，
Will be. Oh my goodness.
妈妈很大的，很大的。
I don't think I can do it. It looks so scary. I cannot do it. I can do it, guys. If you have really, if you are scared with that kind of thing, don't do it. Because me, I don't do it. Because I know that I'm gonna get anxiety So I have fear of that kind of thing. But I think this is the exit way. Yeah, let's go. Let's follow the direction, guys. I don't want to get lost. But I think there are a lot of people doesn't go because it's too small. Oh my goodness. Also, this is the exit area entrance to visit. Okay. Okay. Just us. Myself. Oh my goodness. I thought there is a snake. We are always scared of the elements. Yeah. So we're this way. As you can see. It looks like in the Philippines, guys. Philippines house is like this too. Oh my goodness, what is this? So scary, you can hear the voice inside. Army medical bunker. Yeah, there's like a ghost, guys. So they create some voice inside of it. I can hear someone's talking over there. Medical bunker. Nice. Another area. Oh my goodness. Mating bunker. Mating bunker. Here. This is dining bunker, guys. Actually, guys, I didn't follow the tour guide because I don't want to go there. I think they are waiting there, but like I'm gonna wait. There's some people over there too. Let's take a picture of them. Let's take a picture, guys. Selfie. What if they're going to go in the camera? We finally reached to this area. There are a lot of groups of people over there. I'm glad finally reach it. I'm not gonna stay here more longer, guys. So if you're asking how much did I pay, it's like 135,000 dong. That's around 300 pesos. So like the entire payment. But yeah, I think this is the area for the exit. Not sure, let's see. Because I can hear the motorcycle outside. And I'm going to get a Grab. Because I don't have motorcycle, I don't know how to drive. This is it here. My goodness. It's locked over there. Locked. Not sure. Excuse me. Where is the exit? Thank you. Right. Here. This is the exit. I got it now. I know now this place. So I'm not scared anymore. Hot, guys, very hot. When I got into the hotel, guys, I need water. Lots of cold water. Another tunnel to go in. But really, guys, I am really having a wonderful time. Like knowing these histories, wars. So like what Vietnamese went through during those times, it's actually very exciting. So it's really worth it coming in here for 2 hours, staying in the very not so chaotic place, not a very good place, a very relaxing place. Yes. But yes, oh my goodness, guys, I couldn't ask for more, but like I'm so grateful. So we are going to go and exit here. I'm not scared in this area, like the tunnel, but the other one, it was super small, so it was scaring me so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh my god, I'm super stressed right now, guys. It's been 1 hour that I didn't get any ride yet. I should message the worker there. I should told them that I need to get a ride, but I'm crazy, I didn't do it. It's like 3 hours attempt, guys. I know 3 times attempt, but I still didn't get it. Crazy. Oh my god, guys, I'm glad that I able to get it. Car drive. Metro guy. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah. Marian, yeah, that's right. Oh my goodness. So I guess motorcycle is not best in this area. I think, guys, the best is car. So I able to get a car, but no motorcycles. Fair enough.
Tiếp tục đi trên tỉnh lộ 15 thêm.
Hello everybody! So another day, another vlog. So guys, look at where we are staying right now. Oh my god, I didn't know, guys, that this is like a family room. So I am upgrading my room for my last night here to a family room, guys, and this is super nice. Oh my goodness, guys. I cannot really believe that. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, guys! I'm gonna give you a tour. So this is like the front porch area. I'm gonna show you from there. I need to slow down here. Hello. So this is the place that I am going to stay for tonight, guys, and this is our view over here. I'm gonna try that. I'm not sure if they allow. So this is like the area, guys, and let's go inside. Oh my goodness, let's go. You can chill over here. Oh my goodness, guys, and this is the room. Oh my god, flower where you can cook as well. Let's go there. Let's go there, guys. Hello. Oh my god, this is so nice. I'm here, guys. Okay. I'm trying to slow down because I'm wearing a skirt. Oh, fuck. So nice. Look. Wow. Wow, guys. Hello. Oh my goodness. They said this is like a family room. For 1,600 pesos, guys, this is what you got in here. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh my goodness. Look, from here to there. Wow. You can sleep there as well, guys, if you want to. Oh my god. This is so nice. Sleep, guys. Let's sleep. Let us sleep, everyone, because this is super amazing. Aircon is already on. I've been super I've been super tired, guys, because we did a lot of things today. But this is super nice. Oh my goodness, I couldn't ask for more. Ay, nako. But anyway, actually, guys, I really do amazed with this place. Like, you're gonna just go this way. This is closed, and open that, and then go there. Oh my goodness. Like, let's go down. Let's go down, everyone, and see. I'm trying to be cautious, guys, because I don't want to drop myself over here. Oh, they got there also, guys. Shampoos. My stuff over here. This is the CR, the comfort room. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow. I can live like this as long as there is a one also. Wow. My goodness, guys, this area is super amazing. Oh my god. We're just gonna chill over there. Chill, chill, chill. But right now it's a little bit hot. Yeah. Not sure if it's a good time for you to chill right now. Actually, guys, we are staying here. Right now we are staying in this place, which is 1 million if you're going to book it here. But it's lesser in the booking site. Yeah, this is the place. Actually, guys, it's really nice. Oh my goodness. I'm not sure if it's real. That's why I'm asking them if what's the place look like. I want to check out. I want to see what's in there. Yeah, these are the prices over here. Just woke out, right? And then right now we are gonna go to their pool. This is the first time that we're gonna use. Well, you know, guys, I'm actually gonna go back to Philippines now. I wanna enjoy my remaining one day. So yeah, this is our view, morning time of where we are staying right now. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing. And here like this. Hi guys, so we are going to the pool. We're gonna swim. Guys, I'm gonna show you something. It's really cool. Oh, lilies. Oh my goodness, guys, it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So guys, I need to check out now. So I am asking them to total all my bills, including my stay, my foods, the drinks, so everything. I'm not sure yet how much it would be. But let's see, because I actually I did already like 18 minutes. Grab is on his way over here. We finally got into the Grab, guys. But actually this place is really amazing. I don't have a dong money, so it's better also for you if you are going to stay here. You are going to bring dong money because they don't have machine. Yes, which is, you know, the staff, they're super friendly, you know. So yeah, they were actually going to take me to the ATM machine, but because I told them like, no worries, I have euro here. So yeah, the euro, so I paid them through euro. They just give me back some money of it, but I told them like, you just keep it, you know, because I know that they work so hard also, like we're trying our best also, and then it's like I don't want to bother them. Yeah, so my total bill, guys, for just staying there is around 4,000 pesos. So it's like 1,780 million dong. So that's around like 4,000 pesos. So for that, including 2 nights stay with the Ford, like, and then I eat a lot also. I ate a lot, drink a lot, yeah, like coffee, whatever the drink there is. But yeah, I save a lot. Imagine guys, 2 nights with foods and drinks. So it's really amazing with a beautiful view. Yeah, so nice. Very much worth it. Yeah, I could say. So I'm happy. I literally gonna miss this place. The staff are really super friendly. Yeah, so this is our view. That is our view. We are actually, this guy is going to take us to our destination. I'm not sure if this is the right. Yeah, I think this is the right. But I think we go in the wrong way. Are we going in the wrong way? No. Okay, not wrong way. Okay.